17 pieces of flare is the recommended minimum. Tell me if you know what movie that's from. Drop it in the comments. I'll tell you what they are. You guys count them. Ready, steady, go. Therm 18650 battery carrier. Olight Warrior Mini 2. Exotac Fire Rod. Leatherman Surge. Olight i3T EOS. Right in the Rain pencil. Right in the Rain double clicker pens. Jig Pro Marlin Spike. Exotac Titan Light. Match Cap XL. Fire Sleeve, Nano Striker, Civivi Tack and Tweeze, Olight i3E EOS, Exotac Rip Spool, Kexmo. We don't want to do the bare minimum, do we? We're going to add some pieces of flare, like Spartan Blades Horkos, Spartan Blades Frike, and of course a smartwatch. I know it's ridiculously redundant, but it's not about function, it's about flair.